I don't have much storage. Let's go. 7 games to go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, I got blocked. 3 more games. Yes. Go, 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 go. Last one. Alright, we're gonna play this game. Firecracker game. So I can get completely sucked in. It looks like they're gonna go off, but we all know that's deceiving. I don't think it matters what your bet is. It can go off at any time, at any bet. So let's try 88 cents for a little bit. Oh, is there sound? We want the sound. Oh, it is a malt. Okay, so we'll try. No, you know what? We'll do 2 cent. $1.76 for a little bit here. If it gets too much, we'll go back down to 88. I played this game once and never got the bonus, so. Let's shoot for a bonus. Oh, come on. Nothing. I don't know. Can you guys see that? You can kind of see the fireworks. Mini's 20, minor 40. Major is 512. So the purple things, or the pink things, are wilds. These are wild. Other than that, that's all I know. Never really played it. Oh, it lit up a little more. It's eating our ticket. Come on. They both go off at the same time. That would be even better. A lot of wilds. 650. Come on. I'll zoom in a little more here. Go. Ultra spins looks like it's gonna go anytime. I think it's gonna go right now. Gonna go. No. It's got 1 firework left to go off. Alright, she's eating my ticket. Ugh. This game sucks you in. You get invested. Alright, let's go back to a penny denomination. Let's just try 88 cents for a little bit. See if 88 cents can get them to go off. Come on. how much I want to put into this. Ugh. Let's try $1.76. Oh, come on. It's time to go off. No. I thought that was it. I thought that was it. Look at these guys. Look at them. Come on. They're ready to go. Come on. Well, that should be a good line there, right? 11:30. It's a good one. Come on. Ugh. Come on. Give me a bonus. Show me what you got. Go. Man. All right, we're going to 88 cents. We're going to drag it out. That's the trifecta. That would have been it. Come on. Do some rapid fires. Oh boy, I'm not going under 100. I'm going to cash out at 100 if I don't get something. Come on. All right, 7 minutes, $100 down almost nothing. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna go back to 2 cents. $1.76. 2 cents. Let's see if that's the winning bet. Did I get it? No. Dang. Alright, I'm going to finish it out at $1.76. A few more spins. Go off. Not going off. Alright, this is my last spin. Better go off, it's my last spin. One more. Better go off. No. Alright, cashing out. 99.69. Did not get the fireworks to go off, but look at them. Somebody's going to have fun with that one.